A new IT manager without a plan is just a senior technician with a bigger inbox. In the last video, you spent your first weeks listening and learning. Now you turn all of that insight into a plan, a structured commitment to your team, your stakeholders, and yourself. Here's the good news. Your first plan does not need to be elaborate. In fact, elaborate plans written in your first weeks are usually wrong because you don't know enough yet. What you need is a focused, realistic 90-day plan. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the 90-day framework, a dead simple way to decide what to work on first, and how to communicate the plan so it actually builds your credibility. Stick around. The free first 90 days checklist puts all of this on a timeline for you. The framework splits your first 90 days into 3 phases. Phase 1, days 1 to 30. Listen, learn, and stabilize. The main goal this month is understanding the business, the services, the team, the stakeholders. But you're also stabilizing. That means spotting anything about to break and preventing it, fixing anything already broken that's hurting the business, and showing your team and your stakeholders that you are present, engaged, and capable. Concretely, finish your stakeholder conversations, document your critical services and how healthy they are, deal with any immediate risks, and set a regular rhythm. Team meetings, one-to-ones, stakeholder check-ins, rhythm signals control. Phase 2, days 31 to 60, plan and prioritize. By the end of month 1, you know enough to build a proper plan. Pick your key priorities for the next 60 to 90 days. Assign clear ownership and share it. This is also when you go after your quick wins, improvements that are low cost, fast to deliver, and highly visible. Quick wins matter not because they solve everything, but because they build confidence. Your team's confidence in you and the business's confidence in IT. Think things like introducing a simple ticketing system if there isn't one, setting up a status channel so users hear about outages in real time, or finally killing a long-standing annoyance that's frustrated people for months. Phase 3, days 61 to 90. Deliver, review, and plan forward. Are your quick wins landing? Are the stabilization fixes holding? What have you learned that should change your direction? By day 90, you should also have a first draft of a longer-term 12-month roadmap. Now, how do you choose what to tackle first when everything feels urgent? Rate each idea on 2 things: business impact, how much difference it makes, and effort, how much time, money, and people it takes. High impact and low effort. Do those first, they're your quick wins. High impact, high effort. Plan those carefully as strategic projects. Low impact, low effort, only if you have room. Low impact, high effort. Avoid or defer. Once your plan is drafted, don't sit on it waiting for perfect. A good enough plan that everyone knows about beats a perfect plan nobody's seen. Share it with your manager and your key stakeholders. And when you present it, do 4 things. Frame it in business outcomes, not IT activities. Talk about what the business gets, not which servers you'll patch. Be explicit about what you are choosing not to do and why. Invite input and genuinely adjust based on what you hear. And ask for what you need to deliver it. Budget, sponsorship, people. Making your plan visible creates accountability and alignment. It's one of the most professional things you can do in your first months. So here's your first plan, start to finish. Days 1 to 30, listen, learn, and stabilize. Days 31 to 60, plan, prioritize, and ship a few quick wins. Days 61 to 90, deliver, review, and draft your 12-month roadmap. Choose your work by impact versus effort, and lead with the high-impact, low-effort wins. Then make the plan visible, framed in business outcomes, honest about trade-offs. Do that, and in 90 days, you won't be the new manager hoping to prove yourself. You'll be the leader who showed up with a plan and delivered it. The free first 90 days checklist in the description turns this into a day-by-day timeline. Subscribe for the rest of the series and lead well.